Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Facebook avatars. This will be like an in-depth tutorial of all the features and things you can do with the Facebook avatar. So I'm going to be doing this on my iPhone, but it's the same type of process on Android and also on your computer as well. You can get different features for each of the devices that you're on. So first of all, we're going to start off actually getting to the avatars page. If you don't know, you're going to want to go to your settings menu. How you get that to that page is once you're on the Facebook home page, you're going to want to click on the three little lines wherever on the Facebook app or whatever. You want to click on that, so then you get to this menu right here. If you're on an updated version of Facebook, you may be able to see a blue screen. You'll be able to see avatars here, on the top part. But if not, you might need to scroll down and click see more, and then click on avatars there. And to actually get onto this, make sure you do have the latest version of Facebook updated to see all these features, because that could be a problem if you haven't done an update, or if you can't see this at all, you might need to actually wait for this to come out in your area. It's not available for 100% everyone right now, so if you can't, then you will have to wait. But once you can see that, you want to click on avatars. It will load your avatar. And then potentially for you, because I've already created an avatar, you have to click continue a few times, and then you'll be you want to click edit for me if you've already created an avatar. If not, it will just automatically go to this type of screen here where you can see your skin tone. That's going to be the first thing you can pick. Then obviously you're going to want to go through and pick whatever skin tone is for you, because the whole idea of this is to make it look like yourself. And one of the ways to actually help you do that is if you look at the top right hand corner, the second one down below the tick, it's got a little mirror there. You click on that and it'll say this feature requires camera to access. You want to open up the settings and then allow the camera for this, because it will help you have your character have your raw facial features within that feature there. So if you want to do that, click that there then for the mirror. But then if not, you can just scroll down and whatever skin tone. Here's all the options here that you can choose. So I'm going to just choose the one right here. You click on that. So then once you click it, it's just going to load in and save by itself. You don't need to click the save button at the top right for each of them. It will just do it by itself. So click on that. And then you've got hairstyle. So for these, you've got three different options. First one's the short. I'm going to take you through each of them here. So you've got obviously going from bald and then progressively along to all these different types of hairstyles right here. I'm going to show you all of them. So whichever one matches your hairstyle in real life. And also as well, if you just want to make a character, obviously someone else is not yours in real life, you can do that if you want to. It doesn't have to be exactly like yours. But there's all the short options. You've got medium as well. So here's the mediums too. Some of these as well from the medium and long, potentially are going to be the same for whether you're male or female or whatever. They're going to be the same for each, so it doesn't matter that you're not going to get only male hairstyles or only female hairstyles. As you can see here, I'm a male, and these majority female hairstyles that they usually use. So you can do whatever you want with these, short, medium, or long for that. Click on whichever one you want. So I'm going to go over a short one, for instance, with this one here, and I'm just going to pick the mohawk here. Click on that, and then you'll see it's changed there. And then you can change the hair color. So you got all these different ones here, going from black all the way down to a more lighter color, and then you can got some more kind of custom colors down here. If you scroll down to the bottom, you do some crazy hairstyles with green, blue, etc. All these type of ones down here. And potentially with all these features as well, there will be more added in future. But as of right now, these are the ones. So do be expecting to have more features for each of these ones in the future. And you go to the next one, you've got face shape. You've got loads of different options here, depending on whichever one you want. So I'll go ahead and scroll through and see all of them. I'm just going to pick this one here just to show you how it changes. And then you go to the next one here, you've got eye shape. There's a very specific ones, whatever one it is for you. You can go through and change it. Here are all the options for that. So click on that. And then you want to go to eye color here. You got loads of different options. Got crazy custom ones too. You can purple eyes or whatever as well. And also, even for male options or whatever your gender is you've got different makeup you can do for it here. So you can do whatever you want with that. And then next you've got the eyebrows. You've got loads of different options. And go through and click whichever one you want for that. Then you can have eyebrow color. Your eyebrow color can be completely different from your hair color within this. It's just custom to whatever you want. So I'm just going to pick the blue one, for instance. And then you've got glasses. So here's all the eyewear. They probably will have more in the future because not really that much eyewear like available for this. So I'm going to click on that one there, and you can change like the eyewear color as well, to all these different options right here. So I'm just going to click this one at the bottom right, and then you got the nose. So here's all the different types of noses for it. They're all different shapes and sizes. So click on one there, and then you've got the mouth. So whatever mouth you've got, I want to click on that. And then you can also do lipstick as well for this. You've got different custom options, different types of colours here, loads of different ones down there. So there, and then we also got facial hair, regardless of your gender as well. So all these ones right here. I'll scroll down, you've got plenty of different options for the facial hair, like short facial hair, long facial hair, medium, all that type of stuff. You've got plenty of different options there, so I'm going to click that one. And then you got different colours for them also as well. The same type of colours as you got for your hair, but you can have different ones for that. So I'm going to click on this right here. Here's all the options. And then you've also got body shape. This will, like, once you click on that, you'll see it like a more like wide version of yourself, like in the full character, not just your face. It'll like zoom out for this. So then whatever your type of your body shape is for that, you can click on. And then you've also got outfits. So these are going to be like women's outfits, men's outfits, whatever outfits you go on for this. You got loads of different options right here, as you can see. Click whichever one you want down to the bottom, like football outfits, etc. Normal like workout outfits, all this type of stuff. Scroll through and you got one that's like a suit at the bottom here. I'll click on that one. And you've also got hats, and do be aware as well, like the hats will actually cover up your hairstyle for some of them as well. So do take that into account too. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that just for the sake of this video. And then you can also change the color of your hat as well. You got plenty of different options within here for whatever it is. You got your headwear, and then also if for whatever reason you do want to delete your avatar, you can click on that little like bin button right there, as you can see, that little rubbish can. Click on that, and then you click delete profile if you want to like start over again, or you just don't want one in general. You can click that. Then once you're done with that, you can click the little tick button in the top right hand corner. Then that's going to pretty much save it. Then it will say this is your avatar. There's a new way to be you on Facebook and Messenger. This is going to be available for like the things to do with it on the Facebook app and the Facebook Messenger app as well. There's probably going to be more features added to each of them in future. So you can click next once that's done. Then I'll say use your avatar in comments. You got different things like here. I'm going to show you how to do that as well in just a second. You can click done. So that is like your finished article as well. And if you do want to change gender, that is possible within Facebook. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So this is going to be like your one that's done right here already. So you can click X to get out of that. And you can also do like stickers. Here's like the different options for stickers you can do. So you can click on them. You can also send them in Messenger. So that's like the Messenger feature as well. You can click on that and send them within there. And you can click more options. You can do different types of like apps and stuff you can deliver there. Here's all like the options for the stickers. There's plenty of them there, depending on situation. Then you can go back, and then once you're done, you can go back and edit again by clicking that pencil button right here. You can change all the features yet again, and then you can click on the top right hand corner. That's going to be able to like share to your feed. So you can click on that. And then you got like a few different options of like how you can share it. So it will load for a few seconds, then get to that, and it will say here, it'll share your avatar, your new avatar. If you got 3 different poses you can do here for now, probably will be more in future. You either click skip or share. With that, you click share, like make a status, and then click post. So this, for instance, I'm just going to do like an example for this. Click post, and then that will post to your Facebook feed right there. And then once you're done with that, you can also set it as your temporary profile picture. So just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you, so you can see what it's like. You can do different poses for it too. There's like more poses in here. You can do like heart face, etc. You select the color of the background of this too. Then you can click next. You can also do it as like a Facebook status. You can also like do different words with that. You can temporary profile picture for a week if you want to as well. You can customize it an hour, 1 day, 1 week. You can customize it even more, like a specific date or wherever. So I'm just still have like a week, let's just say, for instance. Then click save, and then once it's saved, that's going to be your profile picture. You can go out of that, so you can click X, and then also within your like on different like Facebook posts, whatever, you can also comment like stickers. So for instance, like here, I'm going to go ahead and click comment, and then it will say at the bottom right, add a comment with your new avatar. You can click that, and you got like loads of different options within here. to change your avatar, different stickers. So I'm going to click on one of them just for the example. You can write a comment with it too, let's say like, subscribe, whatever. And then you can click done with that. That'll send it within there. Then that's going to be a feature within that. And also right now, as within the app, you can't actually send it on Facebook Messenger. So like for instance, if you want to send someone a message, you can't actually do it within there now, but I think in future they will do. So they haven't actually updated all the features for this currently, but also you can actually change the gender within like your profile. Like there's a few different things you can do with that, but that's for like a different tutorial, I think. So that's all the options for the Facebook avatars. Leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and use these. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos or the Facebook avatar and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.